Today we're going to do an unboxing for August 2019 TacPack. See what's inside it this month. Alright, so on top we got universal rail covers. Yeah, I don't think I have a whole lot of use for them since I don't actually have rails. I have M-lock on my AR, so let's see. Got the live fire starting kit. An APS bolt catch roll pin punch. Alright, which again, I always like armorer tools. Some shooting glasses. Oh, nice. Right, instructions. Bag, which looks nice to have. Lanyard. Not bad looking. Let's see what this thing is. It's from TacPack. Yeah. All right. AR vice block. Again, I always like having armor tools. Let's see what we have here. Got the Willie X Saber glasses, $38 value. The APS incorporated bolt catch roll pin punch, 15. TacPack upper vice block, 20. Live fire survival kit. Trinity Force rail covers. Oh, it says it will mount to key mod. Okay. So there you go. In September, Area 51 raid happening. Yeah, okay. And they're really stock up for fall. All right. Well, I might even try some of these out and see how they work and try to catch some more of that on the video. All right, here's the live fire in action. Just kind of lift up some of the fibers, get them loose. There you go, just like that. So this is definitely going into my EDC bag. All right, here's the Trinity Force rail covers on my AR, and they will fit M-lock. I mean, I guess if you got dainty hands, I mean, the only nice thing is they are grippy. But yeah, so they seem like they fit okay, and they're nice and grippy at least. All right, the APS bolt catch pin. Looks like it'll fit in there pretty well. It's got a nice flat cutout, so it looks like it should make getting that pin out pretty easy. All right, as far as the TacPack vice block, I don't want to even mess with pulling my optic off, so I'm not even gonna mess with it, but looks like it should work just fine. And finally on the shooting glasses, the arms are adjustable. The nose piece is adjustable. And they seem to be pretty comfortable. So there you go. Thanks for watching.